Good morning, students. Welcome all. Today we will discuss climate and adaptations of animals. Now, animals living in very cold climate and very hot climate should have special features to, to protect them from heat and cold. So they adapt themselves according to the environmental conditions. Now, in this chapter we will study two extreme conditions reasons. Okay, the reasons having two extreme climatic conditions. The first one is polar region and second one is tropical rainforest region. Now first of all, the polar regions. The polar regions are very cold for most part of the year and the temperature are as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. For 6 months the sun does not rise and for next 6 months the sun does not set. Okay, so the polar regions has very extreme conditions. Okay, these regions covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. Okay, so in winters the temperature can be as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. So the animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Okay, now the animals found in these regions are, some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bear, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, Siberian crane, etc. So these are the animals which can be easily seen in these regions. Now, first of all, polar bear. Adaptations of polar bear. What are the adaptive features present in polar bear which make it to easily live in these climatic conditions? Now they have white fur. They have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. So they have white fur so they can easily hide themselves in the snow and we can say the prey will not see it and it can easily catch the prey. So the white color is helpful for the polar bear. Next, they have two layers of fur to protect them extreme cold. So they have two layers of fur to protect them from the extreme cold. Okay. Next, they have a layer of fat under the skin which also protect them from cold. So they have a layer of fat under their skin which provide them insulation, insulation. Next, their paws are wide and large which help them to walk on snow and to swim in water. Paws are wide and large which help it to walk on the snow and swim in water. They have a strong sense of smell which helps them to catch their prey. Their sense of smell is very strong. Polar bear's sense of smell is very strong which help it to catch their prey. So these are the adaptive features which are found in the polar bear and help it to easily survive in the extreme climatic conditions. So polar bear, one of the common animal which we can see in the polar region. Now after polar bear, the next we can say commonly seen animal in polar region is penguins. Penguins, they have white colored body so that they are not easily visible in the snow. So the penguins are white colored, so they hide themselves in the snow and they are not easily visible in the snow. They have thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from the cold. So they have thick skin and also a lot of fat is present which protect them from the cold. They huddled together to keep them warm. Okay, so we can say they huddled together. Penguins huddled together. This is the special position which they take. They huddled position. So in this position they do this to keep themselves warm. huddled position to keep them warm. Next, they have streamlined body and webbed feet which help them to swim in water. So they have streamlined body and their feet are webbed which help them to swim in water. So these are the adaptive features which are present in the penguin, so which help it to easily survive in the extreme climatic conditions of polar region. So the animals, so these are the penguins. The picture showing the we can say the pictures showing the penguins. This is the huddled position. This is the huddled position of penguin which help them to keep themselves warm in this position. Now, apart from the penguins, the other animals which can be seen in the polar regions are reindeer. Reindeer, these are the reindeer which we can see in the polar region. Reindeer, foxes, these can be easily seen in the polar region, common animal of the polar region. And after this, seal. Seal is a type of fish. It is easily seen in the polar region, okay, and adapted itself to live in the severe climatic condition of polar region. And next, whale. Whale is a fish which also found in the polar region. Now other animals which can be seen, musk oxen. Musk oxen, it can be seen in the polar region, okay, having very long hair, and these long hair provide it insulation and it easily survive in polar region, okay. Now, adaptations of Siberian crane. Siberian crane, you know that Siberian crane, some migratory birds travel as much as 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climatic conditions at home. Generally, they fly high where the wind flow is helpful and the cold conditions allow them to disperse the heat generated by their flight muscles. Okay, so these are migratory birds which migrate to faraway places when the conditions in their home become extreme. Okay, Siberian cranes, the Siberian cranes must keep their body warm to survive in winter. So during winter it migrates to far away warmer places. ओके, साइबेरियन क्रेन जो है साइबेरिया से इंडिया में आती हैं और उस समय जो है वहाँ साइबेरिया में रहने में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर टेम्परेचर ठंडा हो जाता है, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड हो जाता है। तो उससे बचने के लिए ये करीब 15,000 किलोमीटर की दूरी तय करती हुई इंडिया आती है। और इंडिया में क्योंकि हॉस्पिटेबल क्लाइमेट होता है, अच्छा क्लाइमेट होता है, तो कुछ महीने यहाँ पर रहकर फिर वापस अपने घर लौट जाती है। तो ये इन बर्ड्स को माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये माइग्रेशन करते हैं, अपना होम छोड़ के दूसरी जगह जाते हैं। सो दीज आर कॉल्ड माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स बिकॉज दे लीव देयर own habitat and go to some other places in order to find the hospitable conditions. So these are called migratory birds. Siberian cranes come to places in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from extreme winter in Siberia. ठीक है, स्पेशली जो इंडिया राजस्थान के भरतपुर में साइबेरियन क्रेन्स आती हैं और सुल्तानपुर हरियाणा में आती हैं और वहाँ के एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस अपने जो उनके देश में होती है उस समय से बचने के लिए। ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट साइबेरियन क्रेन्स कि साइबेरियन क्रेन्स क्या हैं और ये कब इंडिया में आती हैं। हॉस्पिटेबल कंडीशंस के लिए आती। साइबेरिया जो है वो पोलर रीजन्स में आता है, वन ऑफ द पोलर रीजन कंट्री। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट adaptations of animals which used to live in the polar regions. So go through this and try to understand and learn these topics. Okay students, thank you.